Ever stumbled across Lucy Importer clothing online and wondered if it's the real deal or just another flashy scam? I took a deep dive into this brand so you don't have to, and here's what I found. First off, their website is sleek and stylish, giving that high-end boutique vibe, but that doesn't always tell the full story. I looked into customer feedback, from verified reviews to social chatter, and the results are mixed. Some people love the designs and fast shipping, while others complained about sizing inconsistencies, color differences, and slow responses from customer service. When it comes to quality, the clothes feel decent for the price, but nothing extraordinary. You get what you pay for, which means don't expect luxury fabrics or long-lasting durability if you're planning to wear items frequently. Another thing I noticed is that their return and exchange policy is okay but slightly complicated, which could frustrate anyone who isn't patient. Trustworthiness is tricky too. While there's no concrete evidence of fraud, the inconsistency in delivery times and the occasional negative experience from customers makes it hard to confidently say, this is a completely safe store. On the other hand, their aesthetic is appealing, and if you're okay with taking a small gamble, it might be worth trying a single piece to see if it matches your expectations. Overall, Lucy Importer clothing isn't a scam, but it isn't flawless either. It sits somewhere in the middle. If you're chasing boutique-style clothing online and don't mind occasional hiccups with quality or service, it could be a fun option. But if consistency, flawless quality, and top-notch service are non-negotiable for you, this might not fully satisfy. So before you click buy, weigh the pros and cons, and know exactly what you're getting into. Fashionable designs come with some risk, and this is the reality of shopping online in 2026.